Welcome to Disney's Old Key West Resort. Let's go check it out. Today we are going to show you the one-bedroom villa. But before we get to that, let's show you the rest of the resort. The very front of the guest services area does serve as a bus stop to get you into the parks and other parts of the Disney resort. I love walking down this main corridor. Love the lighting features and the blue porch ceiling. Very southern to have that blue porch ceiling. Right down this main corridor to the left, we will find the Conch Flats General Store, open from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. and right outside the store is a working mailbox. So cute. The general store is part gift shop. Get your Disney merchandise. Nikki's going to pick up a Christmas ornament from here to help remember this staycation. And then it is also part grocery store. Get your snacks, your breads, your chips, your drinks and such right here from the general store. On the opposite side of the Conch Flats General Store is the check-in area. And then right past the check-in area and the general store, we do have Olivia's, a full-service restaurant here that does serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And we will do 1 or 2 meal reviews from this location later on in the video. I don't know if we'll work in all 3 meals here, but we'll definitely have a breakfast and a dinner here. Here is the outside patio eating area of Olivia's. I think when we have dinner or breakfast, we'll eat indoors. We'll show you what the decor is like indoors. But for now, here's that outside view of Olivia's. Unfortunately, the DVC water taxi service is not operational during this time frame. But we can take a peek at the water down here. Nice little water feature. Bridge over there. Normally that's where the ferries would be. This is sort of the backside of, or the outside of the check-in area. Lots of benches and seating area. Picnic tables. Looks like by the sign we can see there's a running trail of about 2.5 miles. For those of you who can't sit, you must exercise on vacation, do some running. And the reason why they have these picnic tables and these eating areas is because there is a food to go service here, a grab and go called Goods. You got your hot entrees of a cheeseburger, chicken strips, barbecue, pork nachos. You have sandwiches such as a tuna salad sandwich, Caesar salad with chicken, a shrimp cob salad. There's kids meals such as chicken strips, macaroni and cheese. You get your snacks like french fries, assorted fruit cups, key lime pie, banana bread. And they do have breakfast here as well. Ham and cheese on Texas toast, a breakfast platter, and Miss Vicky's sandwich, which is egg, sausage, and cheese. And it looks like the highest priced item on this menu is $13. So here at Goods, you're looking at paying $13 or less. And next to Goods grab and go food, we have the gurgling suitcase to get your libations and your spirits to help you get in a vacation state of mind. And then on the opposite side of Goods, we have the Electric Eel Arcade, a community hall, and an exercise room. On the outside here, we have a few different table games that can be played, ping pong, foosball, and the like. And there are bicycle rentals, a few different styles of bikes you can rent here at Old Key West. This resort does have a golf course. There's a hole right in front of us, but I'm showing you this because right about there is where we're staying. I'll zoom in, kind of hidden by that tree there. But we'll take a look at the room shortly. And from where I was just standing to look at the room, I'll give you a view of the guest services area. The check-in area, Olivia's is right there. And that's the pool area we're going to check out probably the next scene. This pool here has a sandcastle water slide with a hidden Mickey. Don't worry for you older people, people young at heart. I'm sure that slide is for all ages. This pool also has a cool looking lighthouse in it. This is the sauna area, by the way. And look at this, guys, a special treat. Look who just showed up to enjoy the pool I just showed you. My daughter Caitlin, my wife Nikki. You guys are too cute. And the little bug? Oh my goodness.
It fits in perfect with this resort.
It does. So I showed you the bus stop at Guest Services, the main complex of this resort. There's a second bus stop very near, like a stone's throw from where our room is. And they say if you're going to go to the parks first thing in the morning, get to this bus stop, or to all the bus stops, 45 minutes before the park is supposed to open, whatever park you're going to that day in the morning. And just a few steps, literally just a few steps from that Millers Road bus stop is a second pool. This is the pool my kids called boring and for the old people. I'm just repeating what they said, guys. But for real, if you want maybe a little, a quieter pool, not so crazy, this would be the pool for you. And now we're back at our room. Nikki is still at the pool, but through the magic of editing, in mere seconds, she'll be here to give you a tour of our room.
Welcome.
Welcome home.
Old Key West Resort.
Beautiful.
Yes, it is gorgeous. So we're on the 3rd floor, which is great. We'll start from the beginning. So here's your coat closet, which would probably be a great place to put your luggage.
Or, you know, people who may stay in the living room could use this.
Oh, that's true. That could be a good place for them to keep their clothes.
Because this can sleep like 5.
You're right. So got a little key drop right here for your phone and keys. And then come on in. Look at how beautiful. So spacious.
Yeah,
so
a nice
awesome.
living area.
Yeah, just it's decorated so Key West. Definitely.
So a sofa, a love seat, a little chair here with an ottoman, which by the way, this pulls out.
Yes.
It's a sleeper.
It's a single sleeper, and then the couch pulls out into a double sleeper.
Yes.
And then yeah, so I mean, oh, go ahead.
The rug.
Oh,
It's like Key West.
So Key West, and look at the beautiful, you know, windows.
And I'm guessing this is like a reef, right? Coral.
Coral. Yes, definitely. And
Beautiful corner window.
And the cute little lamp over there that looks like a lifeguard chair.
Let's take a look at that.
Every detail.
Oh yeah.
So adorable.
It's a lifeguard on Key West Beach.
With a hidden Mickey. So over here you have your big screen TV.
Yes.
I think the way they set this up is just really, really cute. And then you have your dining area.
Or a breakfast nook.
Yeah, definitely.
A lot of storage in here for your food.
Definitely. Got your cute little shiplap.
Oh, so Joanna Gaines.
Exactly, with your cute little Key West colors. Oh, this is just awesome. So I'll let you come around here. We'll talk about how.
We'll take a look at the kitchen.
Yeah, how great the kitchen is. So you got a full-size kitchen in here with a full-size refrigerator. And
we have yet to go shopping, but we will.
and freezer. And then we have coming up next your full-size.
What kind of meals are you gonna be cooking there, Nikki?
We're going out to eat. So your full-size oven and your microwave.
But if you wanted to cook, and we might cook one night or two.
Yeah.
There you go.
So,
and dishwasher?
Yeah, full-size dishwasher as well, which is convenient. Absolutely. And then a double sink.
Double sink.
Then it's got your coffee maker and your full toaster. And then if you look in here in the cabinets, it's a full functioning kitchen. So you have your plates and cups. And
everything you'll
glasses.
need for your stay. Bowls, cups, plates, glasses, mugs.
And then let's see, is this where the
Yeah, this is
your silverware?
Yep.
And utensils.
Everything you may need.
That's awesome. And then more storage down here. I see cereal boxes for some reason.
Yes.
Or all your little grab and go stuff, all your what, Disney snack items that you get during the day. This is just gorgeous.
It is. Let's just take a panning view before we head out to the patio.
Yes. Show you the balcony.
All right. Take us, girl.
This is the best part about having the top floor.
Yeah.
Is this awesome view. And so it's covered. It's got a ceiling fan up there. Again, seating for 4. And if you go around that way, good job.
Well, let's take a look.
You'll see the view.
Yeah. There's the other buildings. Oh, we're right here by a sand trap.
Yeah. And a beautiful view of the lake.
Yeah. Sand trap, putting green, lake. Awesome. Palm tree right here.
And the color scheme of all the buildings is so beautiful.
All right, let's go back inside. All right, Nikki, take us down the hallway. Show us what's down here.
Okay, so down the hallway, on the left is a full-size washer and dryer.
All right, Nikki, you get to do laundry.
And an ironing board.
You get to wash all my yellow shirts.
That'll be done in one load.
It'll be a big load.
Exactly. And then into the master bedroom. So, very big. Beautiful master bedroom. Lots of windows. And if you come over this way, you have another entry to the balcony.
Yeah. Right through there. Breakfast on the balcony. I can see that happening. Strawberries and cream.
And then check out this, like, little, I guess, peekaboo.
Yeah.
For the master bath. Super cute.
Let me peek through there. There we go. Yeah, that's like a jacuzzi.
It is.
There's a little. Let me walk around to the other side.
Yep, it's got the jets in there.
Oh, on our journey to the other side, now there are some Key West looking houses right there. Okay, let me get back in here.
Okay.
So yeah, here's the jacuzzi. That's a little seat, and I believe that's the button right there to turn it on.
Right here.
Yep. So we can sit there. You can be laying in bed watching, what's one of your favorite shows? Handmaid's Tale. I can be in the jacuzzi.
Frozen 2. We're at Disney.
Oh yeah. Oh, speaking of being at Disney.
Yes, I was gonna say that. Look
The
at
picture.
How sweet. Oh, it's Mickey and Minnie on the beach.
Yeah, and
Key
cheers.
West.
Yes.
So, oh, and then here you have a full-size mirror too.
Oh, right there. Yeah, you can fit all of me in there.
And let's see. Oh, and then here's some extra storage as well.
Yeah, closets.
Yeah.
Kind of the master closet.
Exactly.
Extra pillows and blankets up there. Into the shower area.
Well, hold on one second.
Okay.
This is a sign of a good hotel or a good place to stay. A full-size hairdryer. None of these little ones that are attached to the wall.
Yeah.
So you have that, and then you have, let's see. Oh, not storage right there. And then in here you have a full-size shower. And I'll open the door for you. So, with subway tile. Ooh, I love the shower head. No, that's cool. The color scheme in here is really nice too.
Nice.
I really like that. Get out of your way.
Another sink area.
Yeah. It's got his and her sinks. That's nice. All right. I love it. It is absolutely beautiful. Completely just stunning place to stay.
Give you one last shot of the master. It's a nice headboard. I love this little bench here. Let's take another look at the living area before we end this segment of the video.
Absolutely stunning. I love it. I want to live here.
All right, anything else you want to share, Nikki?
Well, the color scheming of the wall colors are very Florida-esque, and take a look at the flooring. So on the flooring, you've got kind of the wood is a driftwood type of vibe. In the hallways, family room and kitchen. And then there's a different set of flooring in the bedroom.
Yeah, switch over to carpet.
Nice carpeting in the bedroom, so you know your feet don't have to touch the floor. And then in the bathroom, they have the long tile that looks, you know, like wood.
Right.
Exactly. So very pretty, very well decorated. I really love it.
And here's a little sign illustrating their enhanced cleaning measures for 2020. Here you have some Joffrey's Artesian Roasted Coffee along with some Twinings English Breakfast, which I know Nikki loves that tea. So the bathroom will come stocked with some things you would expect, some bath soap, also some sea salt facial soap, some more facial soap with sea salt body lotion, but what puts it over the top inside the shower, we have body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. Check out the little hidden Mickeys in the bubbles. What else could you expect? As promised, here's that Rick's quick food review of Olivia's at Disney's Old Key West. We had a couple meals here.
Yeah, we did.
We had a breakfast and a dinner. Let's start with breakfast.
Okay.
I found to be pedestrian, quite average.
I liked it. I had the waffles with the fruit compote and I thought it was really good. Bacon was perfect. I've never had such awesome crispy bacon, and so I liked it.
Well, 3 of us had the waffles. One had the pancakes.
Yeah.
I thought the mixed berry stuff was a bit too much like a jelly or a jam.
Oh, I liked it.
And the waffles were too small. They were cute being on Mickey and everything.
Right.
But as compared to breakfast places around town, like First Watch or Kiki's, it didn't measure up. I found it to be quite average.
Okay.
Nothing outstanding about the breakfast.
I like the novelty of the Mickey.
Now the dinner, I enjoyed my entree. I'm not sure about you. What did you have?
I think it was like the shrimp and pasta, and it was okay. I was like, nah, for the dinner. I enjoyed the breakfast more than the dinner.
Wow, really?
So we're the opposite.
My dinner, I had the fried chicken.
Yes, and that is, I mean, everybody was suggesting that you had that.
That's why I tried it, yeah.
Yeah, I should have gotten it too.
A lot of people telling me to have the fried chicken here, and it was outstanding. Boneless chicken breast, the breading was fantastic. Maybe one of the best fried chickens I've ever had. And I'm from Florida, Southern boy, eat a lot of fried chicken. That was fantastic.
How would you compare it to like Homecoming?
Homecoming?
Yeah.
This was way, way better.
Wow, that's impressive because Homecoming's really good.
I would pick Olivia's fried chicken over Homecoming 100 out of 100 times.
Wow, okay,
yes.
that's a pretty good endorsement there, geez.
I'm sorry you didn't have it.
I know, right?
But there you go, so I found that particular dinner to be outstanding and the breakfast to be pedestrian.
Yeah, I like the breakfast and the dinner was so I guess it's just what you order.
Well, there you go, that's Rick's quick food review of Olivia's. Try some of it for yourself. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed a look around the Disney Old Key West Resort, the grounds, the facilities, the 1-bedroom villa. We enjoyed our time here, and if you're gonna stay, I'm sure you will too. And with all that being said,
Don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun.
thanks for watching Rick's Flicks, and now it's time to relax.